Now that your home is going on the market, unless we've discussed this beforehand, one of the next steps in marketing is putting up a for sale sign in your yard. The sign is more than just a marker. It's a powerful tool that will attract potential buyers driving by and generate valuable exposure for your home. Here are a few key benefits of having a for sale sign in your yard. Increased visibility. The sign will make your property stand out, catching the attention of both local residents and interested buyers actively exploring the neighborhood. 24/7 marketing. It works round the clock, ensuring that your home is being advertised even when you're not able to show it. Quick identification. Buyers and their agents can easily identify your property, making it convenient for scheduled showings. Rest assured, I'll make sure the sign is placed strategically to maximize its impact while maintaining the aesthetics of your property. If you have any questions or concerns about this process, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to guide you every step of the way.